So right now in your trading, you wait for the red or green zone.
Yeah, it's like I'll wait for something that's like, and this is just an example of kind of edge stacking, that like I'll wait for something in the red zone. So I'll go through a list of symbols, I'll find something that's in the red zone, and then I'll wait for I'll wait for it to move down a lot, and then I'll wait for like a bounce off a support level. And then I'll also check to make sure that the daily and the 30-minute are both down. So I'm using like higher time frames as an edge. I'm using support and resistance lines as an edge. I'm using an intraday move as an edge. I'm using the red zone, the market type, as an edge. And then you can go further too and say, maybe I'm only going to do that. Like lately, I had some good winners this week, but that's because the market was down too. So like maybe I'll only do that when the overall market is down. Admittedly, for EWW, EWZ, it's not as big a deal. They can move very independently. But if you're trading something that's subject to the movements of SPY, then you can use that as an edge too and say, I'm only going to do that when the overall market is in a red zone.